Some things are better the longer you've had them. Cheddar cheese tastes sharper if it's aged. Blue jeans feel more comfy if you've worn and washed them a bunch of times. You may have a stuffed animal that you've had since you were a baby that feels and smells just right because it's been well loved over time. A new friendship is exciting, but a friendship with someone who's known you for a long time has a special sweetness. The challenge is making your friendships last. Take a listen.
Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic!
Hi there, I'm Dr. Eileen Kennedy Moore, also known as Dr. Friendtastic. I'm an author and clinical psychologist based in Princeton, New Jersey. Each week on the Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic podcast, I answer a question from a kid about making and keeping friends. If you have a question you'd like me to answer, you can send it in at drfriendtastic.com/submit. That's drfriendtastic.com/submit. Here's today's question.
My name is Matthew, and I am 7 years old. My question is, how long do you keep a friend?
Hi, Matthew. Thanks for sending in your question. A friendship is a special relationship where two people like and care about each other and enjoy each other's company. A caring friendship makes the good times more fun and the hard times easier to bear. The tricky thing is that there are lots of forces that can pull friends apart. Sometimes friendships end because of a big conflict, but sometimes friendships end because of circumstances. Maybe kids get assigned to different classes or different teams, or one moves away. When they don't see each other as much, their friendship is likely to fade. And sometimes friendships end because kids grow apart. Over time, they might develop different interests, or connect with different friend groups, or just grow up in different ways, so they have less in common than they did before. This weakens their friendship. Scientists have found that between 1/4 and 1/2 of kids' friendships don't last a whole school year. So the answer to your question, how long do you keep a friend, is as long as both people feel mostly good about the relationship, they put in the time and effort needed to show they care, and they have enough shared positive experiences to keep the sense of connection going. That means if you want lasting friendships, you should try to choose kind friends, and also do your part to make sure your friends know that they matter to you. Be interested in your friends' thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Spend time together. Have fun together. When, not if, you hit a friendship rough spot, assume that your friends mean well. Try to listen and understand their point of view, and also communicate kindly about your perspective. All of that can help your friendships not just continue, but grow stronger. This has been Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic. You can learn even more about friendship through my funny and practical books for kids, Growing Friendships, A Kid's Guide to Making and Keeping Friends, and Growing Feelings, A Kid's Guide to Dealing with Emotions about friends and other kids. They're available through your library or wherever you buy books. Parents, check out my online workshops for kids at workshops.eileenkennedymore.com.